Hello, everybody. Hello. Good evening, guys and girls and everybody else. This is another stream, a second day in a row. As if we are going to be streaming like normal people. Maybe it's gonna happen, maybe not, we don't know. So, as always, in the chat, tell me if you can hear me, if you can see me, is everything well? And if yes, then just send a little plus, because I can see that there is 13 people on the stream already. And of course, tell me, how are you doing today? How is trading today? Good evening, Alice. Good evening. Hello, Alice. Good afternoon. Salam. Hello. You can hear everything works great. So that means we are going to start. And what do we see now on the chart? Same currency pairs as always. And as always, we're starting with big payouts, 92% with Euro GPY, and the deal for a downward trend immediately. It's a bit too late, but that looks quite good. Especially at the beginning of the stream, we definitely see triangle pattern. We have higher lows, and we also have lower highs. So obviously, triangle pattern, it's getting weak, smaller, and the top line works as a resistance. We should have entered on the previous candlestick, but unfortunately, when we started the stream, the price was a bit lower. That's why we're entering a bit later. So if the price reaches somewhere here and close B, somewhere here, that's gonna be amazing. And we will think about a deal for an upward trend with the support zone. Again, as I said, it's a little bit late, but you know, why not? This is first seconds of the stream. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going back to the chat because we have 3 minutes of waiting. I'm doing great, and I'm doing great as well. Thank you. Made $428 of profit. Good job, guys. How's it going for everybody else? How much money did you get today? What else? Yeah, speaking of yesterday's session, the session was not really nice because the market was going a little bit crazy, and we decided to stop streaming quite fast because it was like the first day of the week, first days, like the beginning of the month, so market was a bit unstable. Hopefully today's going to be a bit better. And with VIP channel that we did today, sessions that we did today, they're looking good. Good evening from Uganda, from East Africa. Hello. How's it going for you guys? Hey, Beatic, how you doing? So, going back to the chart, the deal is looking good. We have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. And when did that happen? Where we would open a deal at the first seconds of the stream, and it's going to be a good one. So if the price is going to do the reversal and go higher, and I hope it's going to be not in next 40 seconds. Oh shit, we should have entered at the first red candlestick, but it is what it is. We have 30 seconds left, and you know the rules of the stream, guys. You need to like up the stream so the price goes down. Can you do it? Can you? Or can you not? Oh my god. I spoke too soon. I spoke a little too soon, but it is what it is. We should have entered on a previous candlestick, and the deal would be closed in black. So the first deal is going to be in red, but I mean, we saw great work on the chart with 2 levels. Who would have thought? Of course, not me. Shit happens. Let's continue. And this is, this is a tradition. And I'm not going to work with Euro GPY at this point because the triangle is almost over, and most probably there's going to be breakthrough to one or the other side. So now we need to just wait for that. And look at this bitch. Now it's going down. We need to wait for like 5 minutes and then go back to this currency pair. But for now, moving back. USD GPYs having similar situation, a triangle pattern, and it's late to work with it. Same as Euro GPY, USD GPY, they are quite similar. And we need to wait for a breakout, which is not happening this second. Euro GBP. What do we have here? Here we see an uptrend and then, of course, a huge dance from the price. It's too late to enter into a deal for an uptrend, and I don't want to work with a downtrend because this is a global uptrend. And we also need to wait for another entry point, which is not happening. Not now. Oh, gee, what happened? Oopsie. Euro USD. What's up? What's going on? Quite strong drop of the price, and right now consolidation is happening. We have a good level right now, and we could enter into a deal, but I'm not sure if the price is gonna break through this lower level, because you see the price reached that level and it was pushed upwards immediately. So this level is quite important, I guess. And until the price breaks through it, quite hard to work with it. So the price could actually rise again and stay in this little corridor of consolidation. So we're moving on to something else. See, that's the tradition of the stream. Waiting for good entry points for ages, losing the first deal. Oopsie doopsie. Oh, that's an interesting thing. We have another triangle. We have swing low, next low is a higher low because it's higher, obviously. Also a triangle, but the breakout is going to happen quite soon. Looking at the structure, and I believe that the price is going to break through going downwards, but, you know, for now, let me put a visual for you, for all of y'all. Something like this, maybe even a bit higher, I'd say. Yeah, so this is the lower part of the triangle, but we also have the higher part. Oh, this little. Come here, you bastard. All right, that's looking better. So this is our higher side of the triangle. Oh, this little plaque. Ooh. Anywho, so this is how it looks, and we're waiting for a breakout from this triangle. And let's be realistic, the breakout is most probably gonna happen downwards, but it's not guaranteed, so we need to wait for a breakout and we will work according to it. So we need to wait, and I'm gonna go into the chat again. And tell me, how was yesterday for you? Because the market yesterday was crazy. I'm copying using pocket option, I'm swallowing them too. Yeah. Well, Alice, let's make profit as usual by your side. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be looking in the chat and looking into the situation on the market, because we still have like a little bit of time. Maybe not this candlestick, most probably the next one, but it is really close. And a really good sign of triangle is that we have dodgy candlesticks. So the smaller candlestick get, the closer it is to the end of triangle. Okay, now it's getting interesting. This candlestick is actually going to be showing us the breakout, which I quite like. Maybe we should risk it even now. Right now, the deal is just $100, and we can actually risk it. Girl, it is a little bit too early to enter into a deal, but I think it's going to be good. So this or next candlestick is going to show us complete breakout of the triangle. I don't see breakout going upwards. I believe it's going to be a downwards one. So AUD, GPY, 3-minute expiration time, and $100 used. So I'm going back to the chat and I'm going to talk to you. What do you think about this deal? And do you believe it's going to be closed in black or in red? Market killed my profits yesterday, LOL. Yeah, tell me about it. Tell me about it, because it was awful. It was awful. I got some profit yesterday on the stream. It was like $110 or something like that, so not a lot. Let me see. Oh, yeah, the deal is looking good. And I'm gonna look at how much I got yesterday. As you remember, for those who don't know, this account is used by me only for the streams, so we can look at all the stats on how we are working. So yesterday, 7 deals, 4 of them were closed in black, so 57% win rate, and $109 were made as a profit of yesterday. Not the best, but profit is profit. Profit is always good. And the breakout is not really confident, you know. It still looks fine. We probably gonna get the money, but I'm not impressed, to say the least. Definitely not impressed by that. Well, yeah, going back to the chat for those who are new here. When I'm opening a chat, the Quotex picture freezes for you. And that happens because I'm opening another tab. So, and why no one is talking about working yesterday? I know that you were working, guys. I know that you did work yesterday. Stop lying. And when we are watching streams, I see that Quotex is working more. So I know, guys, you were working. You're hiding something. You're hiding something. We have 30 seconds left for the deal, and we read the breakout. Quite correct. As you can see, first candlestick of a breakout was used, and this is the impulse that I was talking about with breakouts. And the first 2 candlesticks, they were quite small, and the third one looks amazing because the first 2, they were kind of scary because that might be a signal of a fake out, which is not good for us, of course. But we have 2 seconds left, 1 second left, and the deal is closed in black, meaning that we got the money and we can change back to the first step of Martingale. Oh, geez, Louise. Yeah, no, not $5,000. Not $1 as well. 1 second. $50. Yeah. That looks more like true. All right, so breakout worked quite well. And let's delete all the lines, all the trend lines, because we don't really need them anymore. Let's continue. You're a GPY. You're a GPY. And here the triangle was also broken through. We also said that there was a triangle pattern. And USD GPY payout, 65%. Are we gonna say goodbye to it? I'm not gonna say goodbye to it. I'm just gonna move it away. Like, just don't want to look at it. Because usually USD GPY has higher payout. I think it's just for a couple of minutes and it will go back to normal. We'll see. Euro GBP, quite an aggressive drop of the price with a break of this trend. Should we risk it? Let's risk it. We have $50, and the picture in general we see on all the currency pairs with euro and dollar. It's a drop of the price, and of course we are breaking through this trend right now. It's a little bit too late. Of course, we should have done that on the previous candlestick, but we're gonna risk it because this channel, this person specifically, likes risking it. Risk it for the basket. And let me give you a little visual. It was almost there, almost there. So in this case, we are talking about this trend. Let's make it thick with 2 C's. And let's change the color. Yeah, that's better. So this trend is broken through right now, and I'm hoping that the price has still enough of the impulse to drop a bit lower. Probably should drop until the swing low and then do the reversal. It started actually doing it from these levels, but I still believe it will drop again. But in general, yeah, like the uptrend was happening for quite a while. You can see that the price started rising, I would say, like from here. Yeah, it started from here. So it's quite a long uptrend, and hopefully there's going to be an aggressive drop, but the price was pushed upwards, and we will wait. And while we wait, I'm going back to the chat. Back to the chat. Market killed my profits yesterday, yeah. Jitrus, hello Alice, hey. Oh, Tawny B, hey. Hey there, how you doing? How's it going today for you? I'm not sure if you mentioned it, but do you trade crypto? I do not work with crypto from I'm not a crypto trader, but I do have some cryptocurrency, and in one of the next of the videos, you will see how I tried to trade with cryptocurrency. And I'm not gonna spoil anything. It's an interesting video. It's gonna be an interesting one. It was a cool experience, but you will see it in the video on my channel. But I am not a crypto trader. I'm only working with binary options. I'm not that good with crypto. It's hard to analyze the market with such huge volatility. But I do invest in cryptocurrency. And what the fuck is going on here? But yeah, I do have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and 3 major coins. Guys, you know the rules. Like up the stream, like it up, so the price drops. We have 2 seconds left. What a bitch. We should have entered. Look at her. Look at her. But I think the price will drop a bit lower, but we're not gonna work with it. We're not gonna work with this currency pair, or maybe I think the price could rise a little higher, and after that it will drop again. So I think we need to wait. There is no point to work right now, because I believe that if the price reaches this level, that would be an interesting point to enter into a deal for a downward trend. But this is not the best entry point. I still believe that the price will drop, but most probably it will rise, and a good entry point would be somewhere there. But yeah, not now. Let's move on. Yesterday, speaking of yesterday's stream, we had a lot of new people, and if we do have a lot of new people today here, talk to us in the chat, because that's why we have a chat. But speaking of what we see now, we have a global downtrend. Here the price was consolidating. We have the support level and the resistance level, obviously, and after we have breakthrough of that level, and the price went back to the same level. So what do we want right now? We want to open a deal for a downward trend when the price will react to this level, because the support in the future, they become resistance, and I hope that same situation will happen here. So this level would be retested, and if the price reacts and goes down, then we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. But right now the price is kind of ignoring it, and there is a lot of power, a lot of momentum. So of course, if the candlestick is green, of course we're not entering into a deal for a downward trend. We're looking at what's going on the market at the moment, and it's not obvious just yet. I think like 1 minute. We still have 1 minute, and we will move on to some other currency pairs. Moving on, AUD GPY. Well, obviously downtrend, we need to enter into a deal for a downward trend, but I don't really see any obvious entry points. And speaking of which, guys, the price is trying. And the doji candlestick was formed, so if the next candlestick is going to be red, it's going to be a good signal for entering into a deal. But for now, I'm going back to the chat, because we still need to wait a little bit, just a teeny tiny little bit. I like your voice. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Love you so much. Lamelis, can you please use the strategy at the top of your leaderboard? Oh, geez, Louise, all my leaderboard is all of the strategies based on indicators. Those are not my strategies. I'm just testing them. I'm finding them on the internet. I'm talking to my students. They recommend something. So it is hard to work with all of those strategies. It's not the best idea. I don't think it's going to happen today. I don't think so. Alrighty, we have the red candlestick, and we're entering into a deal for a downward trend. But yeah, that's a good suggestion. I like the idea. I will support that, but maybe a little bit later. We'll try to work on the stream with strategies, with those that we tested previously, like from the playlist, 100 backtesting, but not today, definitely. And I would say I don't even remember any of those strategies, like, you know, to the point where I can't actually work with them. But globally, great idea. Thank you for suggestion. We'll try to do that. We'll try to do that. And the price is rising. I want the actual freaking frick. Fuck. I don't like that. I do not like that. So the price went back to this level again. And it's probably a new retest. And I'm waiting for a more aggressive movement downwards. Going back to the chat. This is my second day trading on demo for now. How's it going? How's your experience of first 2 days? Usually, first couple of days, you get like your balance doubled, but then lose it all. That's like a standard system. Tony, I tried hitting Bitcoin last year, but the candles moved too fast and huge wicks always stopped me out. Yeah, I know. Spam the hearts. Yeah, Tony, spam the hearts. Thank you, Tony. Yeah, but yeah, speaking of that topic, you need to be really fast and make decisions really fast, or you need to work with higher time frame. So if you want to work with that, you need to be really freaking fast. I'm not. But I would start with like 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame. That would be more logical for me. Have been making profit, but for a mistake make me leave early instead of holding to my penny profit, which always hits. Yeah, sure. I understand that. Definitely understand that. But globally, I wouldn't say that's bad. Because if you're constantly just sitting and waiting for the price to get to a certain level, bad. Have a question, learning to trade Forex, can that also benefit in binary? I mean, of course, that could. What the fuck happened? Ew. I don't like that. We have downtrend, right? Then we have this consolidation. Good support and good resistance, and then the price breaks through, goes to retest, drops, and then does a complete fucking reversal. I don't even know why that happened and what's gonna happen next. Maybe that's beginning of an uptrend. That's a good signal, and the price should drop, but it obviously did not rise. It actually did not drop. It actually rose. So we are moving on to another currency pair because I have no idea what happened. Have no idea. The structure of downtrend is not broken, but it looks weird. Looking weird, huh? Moving on to something else. And here we have our breakout. And the price is going upwards. Should I? It's a bit too late, but maybe not. Let me explain. On this currency pair, Euro GBP, we tried to work with it already. We had a really long uptrend, after which there was this little breakout. We tried to catch this deal for a breakout, didn't happen, and now the price reached this lower point, then grew again. That's like a pullback, and now the price continues dropping. So we entered after this huge red candlestick, and of course we see the structure of a downtrend now. This is our swing high, this is our low, and lower high, equal high, and everything else. The next low was down there, and this is our current high. And we're expecting the price to get even lower than the previous level, continuing the structure of downtrend with which we're working with. Going back to the chat, freak it. Going back to the chat, as always, I don't want to see what's happening. Maybe, yeah. But speaking of the thing that Tony said, spamming the hearts, it helps a lot to the channel, it helps a lot to the stream, because YouTube actually tries to show it to more people. Maybe use TradingView? Yeah, the heck I am. I use it all the time when I'm talking about strategies. You can find it in any video that's like I filmed about a strategy. I always use TradingView for sure, because it's a really good thing. For those who don't know, TradingView, that's a charting platform on which you can look at the charts in real time, but also there is a replay mode that allows you to basically, like, if you want to look at the strategy 3 weeks ago, you're scrolling back to the chart, you're putting here a replay button, and everything of the chart in the future disappears, and you're looking at what's going on the chart as if it's happening right now, and you're testing your strategy. So if demo, it's like former testing, if demo gives you the ability to work in real situation, but the testing with TradingView, for example, back testing, that gives you the ability to work with like 100 deals, which what I do, and you will understand how your strategy works, and you don't have to waste money, waste time. You can just, you know, theoretically test it on real data, because just in general, TradingView and back testing, that's a great idea when you're starting some new strategy. There is another platform similar to TradingView, but it's free, because with TradingView, to use replay mode, you need to get a subscription. It's like $40 or $50, the cheapest one. Oh, the deal is closed in black. Got the money, got the money. But yeah, so the subscription is not super expensive, but it still costs money. And you can actually use a different platform. It's called Go Charting. It's free. It's not as cute as TradingView, but the replay function is free for you. So you can start working with replay completely for free. For those who do not want to spend that kind of money, $40, $50, that's also money. You can use another one, but TradingView is much more convenient. The interface, like everything is nice, but look at the prices dropping. But yeah, Go Charting is a good alternative. I used it before, so cannot say anything bad about it. Sometimes I use it even now. If I need something to do it like fast, I can do it with Go Charting. Okay, so here the structure of a downtrend also is being born, but it's a bit too late, a bit too late. No, I don't want to work with that kind. Euro GBP. Euro USD. Downtrend structure, also too late. AUD JPY. What about that? What about that one? Didn't get any water. But yeah, this situation is also a bit too late. This is the third candlestick. So it is too low to work with it. GBP USD, the structure of the downtrend. At the same time, the price skyrocketed once, but dropped again, and there was a pullback close to the level of the previous peak, and it's dropping again. Maybe here we should enter a deal for a downward trend. We're gonna risk it. Let me explain. Globally, we see the downtrend, right? This is our swing high, this is our low, and everything is as a structure of a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. And here we have equal highs. So this candlestick, you need to understand that the peak of this price was right there at the end of the shadow. So along the line of this candle, the price was pushing the resistance. And right now, this tail is a little lower than the middle of that candlestick, and then we see another impulse movement downwards. So I think the price kind of found the resistance level there, and it dropped, and hopefully it's going to happen again right now. So with this movement, we are hoping for the price to go down. GBP USD 3-minute expiration time, $50 used. And for those who are here right now, I think most of you are students of the Academy, and I know a lot of people watching the replays of streams, because usually we have like 30, like 80 max people, but the other people watching the replays, there's a lot more. And I wanted to say that if you want to know how to trade properly, you want to have a community of people, you can get into our academy. I have a special academy. You can text me on my Telegram, link to which is under each video on my channel. It's in everywhere, my God, even here under the stream. There is a link to my Telegram. You can text me saying that you just want to get into Academy. Academy is a series of exclusive lessons. They are completely free. We're trying to make it better, more. In the future, you also will get a chat with other students where you guys can actually talk to each other. And of course, you will get a support from me and a supervisor. So yeah, the Academy is a really cool place where you can learn when you can talk to other people with, like, you know, same-minded people, and get a support from me and a supervisor all the time. Mario, our princess. Greetings from Belarus. Hello to you, Belarus. Hello to you too. I ain't no princess though, but thank you. Can you please write the name of the platform or the invitation link? Are you talking about Go charting? It's spelled the way you hear it. Go chart, ing at the end. If you have my Telegram, if you don't, find the link, text me, I will send you the name. Hi, Mentor Alice. Greetings from Nigeria. Hello, hello. Nice to see you as always. Nice to see you as always. And our next deal is actually closed in black. Forex is glitching. But a couple of last deals, look how good they freaking, how good they look. Makes me happy. Makes me happy. The deal is also closed in such a great place. Oh, makes me happy. Makes me happy. We're almost back to $10,000 on the account. Anywho, AUD/USD, a downtrend, but the price is too low. We need to see a pullback, and then we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. Euro CAD. We have an uptrend globally, obviously. Blind or what? But where is going to be the reversal point? In general, it's quite close to this level, and it could rise, and Stochastic also will give us a signal with this impulse drop. Euro CAD, is it similar to Euro dollar? No? Okay, so there are some currency pairs that are connected. If you look at this situation here on another currency pair, then the situation here would be more easy to read. Euro CAD and what? AUD CAD. That's the one where you can look at it. I don't have it right now, but it's fine. But I believe that there is a reversal, and we will enter into a deal for an upward trend. Euro CAD Stochastic also gives us a confirmation. We see the crossover of Stochastic lower than 30. And with the structure of the market, we have a global uptrend, really good one. Also here we see that the price dropped kind of, then it rose. There was a deep pullback almost to the same level, quite close to it, close enough. And from here we see that the price is doing the reversal, and hopefully this reversal will be happening for 3 minutes, and the price will be high enough for our deal to be closed in black. So Euro CAD 3-minute expiration time, $50 used for this deal. Thank you for being transparent, ma'am. You and Mark Trader are realist tutors who are determined to impact knowledge. God bless you, ma'am. Oh my God, thank you. But who is Mark Trader? I'm not joking. It sounds familiar. Is his name, his channel name on YouTube is Mark Trader? To tell me, because I want to look it up. If you know any traders that you guys watch, tell me who are they, because I just want to understand like what you like, what kind of content, what kind of, everything that you are interested in. Of course, I'm not going to change anything on my channel that much. And just curious to know what you are looking for in your free time, because I'm curious about how they are working with their videos, maybe some music on their videos and shit like that, something like that. So, tell me, please, if his name is Mark Trader, the name of his YouTube channel. Hi, Mentor Ellis, greeting from Philippines. Oh, hey, Jamie, that's cool. Hey, hello to you too. What Martingale means in trading? Everywhere. Everywhere. Martingale has the same basically meaning. It's like a betting system that allows you. Let me explain. So, for example, if I would open deals for $100 all the time, for me to get profit, I need to open each deal in black. So I have 5 of them and I work with $100. In order to get profit, I need to close all of the 5 in black. So all of them are going to be 1, or I need to win 3 and lose 2 of them. Give me like 15 seconds, because that makes me nervous and it's hard to explain, because I'm thinking and looking and looking, it's hard. Oh, I have 6 seconds. Oh, you need to like up the stream, guys. You know the rules. For fuck's sake, we have 1 second. Oh, geez, Louise. Sorry for using God's name right now. But yeah, let me explain Martingale, especially now. So right now, I lost $50 deal. So instead of opening the next one for $50, I will open the next one for $100. I didn't want to explain that to you on my personal experience, but it is what it is. So I will open a deal for $100, and if I win, I will get $183 on this currency pair, for example. So minus $100, I will get a profit of $83. Minus $50 that I just lost, I will get $33 in profit. So in order for me to be in profit, I don't need to win each deal. I need to win 1 out of 5. And in any case, not 1 of 5, like 1 of some. It depends on how much money you have, how much money you can lose and you can invest. But yeah, that's what Martingale is, and you know what? That's your fault. That's your fault. We lost the money because of you. If you wouldn't ask about Martingale, the deal would be closed in black. And by the way, guys, for those who are working with me today, as always, please leave your comments in the chat, like how's it going for you? And as always, I do not recommend working along with me, because I'm working with my brain. You should work with your brain. Okay, here we have an evening star pattern, and I will enter into a deal for a downward trend. So let me explain. Currency pair Euro USD 3-minute expiration time, $100 used. We have a long uptrend that changed to a downtrend. After this consolidation, the price still continued dropping. We actually didn't understand what happened here when we wanted to enter into a deal for a downward trend. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. Oopsie. Anywho, so there was consolidation that was broken through and the price dropped again. And right now, I believe that this is a little pullback that ended, and it's going to be evening star pattern, green candlestick, doji candlestick, red candlestick. And with a global downtrend, of course, I'm also expecting that the sellers are going to be dominating. In this case, that was the only confirmation. Not the best choice, but it is what it is. 2 minutes left, going back to the chat. Smile, please, again. Oh my God. Stop. Stop that. Please, I'm Phil from Sri Lanka. You're teaching. Excellent. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Phil. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. It's such a nice stream. So many people from different countries: Nigeria, Belarus, Sri Lanka, Philippines. Oh my God. I believe Texas, if I'm correct and I remember it correctly. We have someone from Texas. That's good. Hello, two channels: Binary Trader and Binary Trader Parabolic SAR Strategy. All right. All right, I'll check it out. I'm not sure if I... Binary Trader Parabolic SAR Strategy. Is that a channel about only one strategy? What the hell? I need to look it up. Yes, the name of his channel is Mark Trader. Okay, I'll look it up. Tony from Texas. Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said. I said that because I remember that you're from Texas. But the fuck is going on with the chart? The fuck? Sorry. It just drives me insane. It's not looking good. Duh. We were not correct. The pullback continues and probably until this level. And I mean, that is the risk, working only with one confirmation in terms of a pattern in this case, which is not good. Doesn't make me happy. It was a perfect entry point for an upward trend. See, like, fucking unbelievably perfect for that. Oh, damn. Damn. Anywho, here we need to work for a downward trend. And for those who wanted to know about Martingale, probably you were so curious that now I have to show you everything, how it works. Like, really in great detail, you know? It's your fault. But yeah, so we're gonna be having $380 of payout, minus $200, $180 left, minus 100 that we lost there, and minus 50 that we lost in the first time, and we're gonna get $30 in profit, for frick's sake. So we will wait if the price is gonna react to that level. Same freaking logic, we have the downtrend. Somewhere should be the end of the pullback where the price actually just reached. It just reached it. We need to see what's going to happen with candlesticks now. There is a little bit of reaction. Do I like that? So if this candlestick is going to absorb the previous one, I'm entering into a deal. If it's going to be closed like the way it looks right now, heck no. Oh, hell no. We need it to be bigger. And I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think it's happening. But in general, it's called a royal pullback. So from previous low, we're entering into a deal expecting that the previous low is going to become a current high. It goes for a drop. It's a small one. It's a freaking really small one. Should we risk it? I don't wanna. Yeah, and Stochastic will give us the signal, actually, when the price is gonna drop, because the lines are in the zone, like higher than 17, which is good. I don't like it. I just do not like how the candlesticks look. They do not give us an understanding of a really good drop. But they're kind of hinting on the drop. Kind of. But there is an impulse, so I'm gonna risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. Fuck it. Fuck it. Currency pair, Euro USD, $200, use 3-minute expiration time. We thought the pullback ended right there on the previous evening start pattern. But it didn't freaking work, and this is the second time we have evening start pattern. And in this case, the situation is a bit different because this evening star is formed on the level of a previous low. So the previous low might become a new high. This is our royal pullback. So this like check mark, check mark, check mark. So we also have a signal from Stochastic. That's good. That's good. It makes me happy. Oh, are you so cute? Oh my god, stop. Stop. Seriously, no joke, stop, because we're gonna lose the money because I'm too shy for that. Love my lovely mentor, Alice. Why is everyone so nice and so sweet? Oh my god. Anywho. Well, my lovely mentor, I have a question. Is it worth placing a trade by using percentage values than dollar values? And can we use Martingale by using those percentage values? Okay, so Martingale, no. Hell no, we're not allowed to do that. Let me explain why. So usually when we are putting the amount of money that we can risk from the balance on each deal, we are looking at our balance at the beginning. So for example, imagine we have 10,000. I want to risk 1%. So I'm risking $100. So that means I'm going to be risking the whole session with $100 because at the beginning, I chose that percentage. The fuck is going on? Sorry. That drives me crazy. So in general, of course, you can work with percentages. So for example, it's going to be 2%, around 2%. Yeah, kind of. So, but I don't think it's the best idea, especially with Martingale, just because after the loss, your account balance is going to be less, and 4% from a new balance or 1% from new balance, it's not the same as it was at the beginning, and Martingale is always thinking about the beginning. The fuck? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I do not want to look. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Let's continue talking. Let's continue talking. The thing with me. When you curse, your emotions are really beautiful. Oh my god, thank you. Some people just... anyway. Alice, some very, very people here are some beautiful instead of money. Oh my god, what are you talking about? Stop that. You stop that. Okay, so obviously no one is here for the fucking money because we ain't got none. We just lost another deal. I think I just need to stop laughing. Maybe right now we can change it because we have double top. Double top. And the next deal is actually going to be for 100 deals. And that person who asked about Martingale, that's your fucking fault. That is your fault, and I'm not joking at this point. So the analysis is correct. It shows us the downtrend. The price should drop. What the fuck is happening? We lost twice. But that's just you know, it's just a fucking Martingale question. Because I believe that the analysis was correct. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong. So I talked about the percentages. You're still not able to recover your losses. Further, you went from 10k to losses. The trader will go for a loss. Oh yeah, so that's your fault. I found the person. Gaurav, that's your fault. If I'm not pronouncing your name, I'm sorry, but I'm not, because you said that we're gonna lose the money. But yeah, unfortunately, I was not able to get back to my normal balance. I will probably even try to find it, but I don't think we're not gonna find it in stats. We had one session where we lost $2,000 and still we haven't gotten the money back. Of course, we could get back the deposit up to 10,000, but I thought it would be more interesting to just get it with, you know, with all the deals. Because previously, after each stream, I was getting money out of the account. So the last one was 27th of January. Whoops. But yeah, I wasn't able to retrieve everything, but it is what it is. We didn't really have many streams because we had a lot of troubles with the internet connection, and whoopsie daisy diddle do. But hopefully, bitch, please go down. We have a minute left. I'm gonna be happy if you gonna go lower than the tail of that green candlestick. Fucking hell. Fake. Finally seeing this live. I missed 5+ streams in a row. Larry the Lobster. Oh my God, Larry the Lobster. You should be here. Smartest guy ever. I want to copy her signals to, I won't, don't, stop, no. Never do that, because situations like that could happen, like when I'm losing a lot of money and I'm using my brain. Use your brain. You need to learn, and then you need to start working, you know. Don't copy, learn. Been trading OTC. Well, that's alright. For fuck's sake. 6 seconds. I'm sorry for yelling. At this point, I'm just fucking mad. 1 second, you bitch. Fuck you. We got the money. Oh my God, it's so annoying. Mind you, I was just talking about how the deals were working perfectly. Oh my God, look at me. Everything was so good. Then we lost like how many? Just fucking tons of them. And this one was just a luck. That was pure luck. I still believe that I read everything correctly, but I believe that there started like some sort of consolidation. I don't know. Maybe we should stop. But how much money did we get today? It was $9,776, and now we have $892. A little bit of profit, man. 120, maybe one more deal for today. But going back to the chat, what do you think, guys? Should I continue or should I just fucking stop? Down, down, down. Yeah. Do trade OTC too. If you're talking to Mike, my bro, let's find a way to let's share ideas. Guys, Michael, you have a chat. If you both are students of the academy, you have a chat of students where you guys can talk, or you can find each other and then, like, you know, continue talking just like two of you. Because I believe that having trading friends, that's like the best idea ever. That's why we decided to create this chat, because it helps everyone. Take it to 10K. The hell? I don't think we will be able to, because the payouts are gonna drop. You know, the payouts are gonna drop, and I don't think we will continue for much longer. Euro GBP. Good payout, but the situation is not nice. Generally moving downwards, but no entry points, no obvious ones. Euro GPY, we had an aggressive drop of the price. Then we had a huge pullback. The price could easily do the reversal because the structure of downtrend is broken through. You see that the price went higher than the previous high. And we understand that the structure of downtrend is broken through. Euro USD. I'm starting to go crazy. You know, as always, at the end of the stream, I'm going crazy and singing stupid songs because I made so many mistakes and it makes me so nervous. And I don't have any water left. Fuck. This downtrend looks good. AUD USD. Great signal from Stochastic. I'm gonna change the amount of money that I'm using. Fuck that. Anywho. And we have equal highs. We had a high, then the price dropped. There was equal high, and the price again is moving upwards, and it's being pushed down. I just like this situation in general. Let's, not the perfect entry point, you know, not that perfect one. We should have looked at what's going to happen next, but I'm going to risk it for the biscuit and enter into a deal for a downward trend according to global downtrend. And we also see the first high, the equal high, and now we also see the price reaching this level, and we have a reaction. We will see. AUD USD 3-minute expiration time, $50 used, and I'm going back to the chat, and oh my God, so many. I use 1 minute time frame, 50 seconds entry. I mean, 1 minute time frame. Wait, confused. 1 minute time frame and 15 seconds entry. Huh? Well, for OTC, I guess that's fine. It's about persistence. You lose a few times, then you eventually start to win big. I wouldn't say it's true about binary options. It doesn't work like that, really, because for you to earn more money, you need to bet more money, you know? And it depends on the quality and quantity. Let's continue. Michael, I'm looking at your messages and I'm like, guys, what are you talking about? And then I'm like, oh, you're talking to someone else. What's your income source other than trading? I have an academy. It's like for the students, it's completely for free, but traders work with my referral link and I get the percentage from that. So if you are a student of the academy, in order to become a student of the academy, you need to register on Quotex or Pocket Option, and those brokers, they give me a percentage from your amount of money that you use, like the turnover of your money. For example, you opened 5 deals with $500, your turnover is $500, and 1% goes to the person who invited you to the platform, so meaning me. For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. So this is not going to be the last one, I guess. The next one is going to be the last one. So we have triple top. The actual fuck. It could drop. It could. But it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Why? The win rates today is gonna be lower than fucking 50%. I don't like it. I don't fucking like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4 deals out of 11. Oh, the win rate today is 40%. And you're trying to learn from this person? What are you doing here? Get out of here. I'm the worst teacher. Find yourself a better teacher. I'm joking. As for new people who don't really understand why I have such horrible win rate right now and why I'm making so many mistakes, is because on this stream I am not analyzing everything perfectly, because in my personal trading I wouldn't make so many deals, you know, like so fast. But on the stream, I'm trying to show you everything that I can, everything that is possible for you to see examples, for you to hear my explanation of situations where I can. For example, here we see a downtrend and there was a pullback. And the structure of the downtrend is broken through, so fuck this one. But what I was talking about, I'm trying to show you as much as possible. So I'm making a lot of risky moves, and my risk management is a piece of shit on streams. That's why we're losing a lot of money and not really gaining a lot. But anywho, payouts are getting low. That's not good. And GBP, Euro GBP, we had a high here. And the price is higher, and that means that the structure of downtrend is broken through, so we're just gonna skip. Euro dollar, I love this one. If it's gonna reach this level and then it drops, then we can think about a deal for a downward trend. AUD GBY. Bitch, it's going down. Look at her. Look at her. Girl. Girl. She's seducing me. Seducing me. Yeah, I know that. Am I gonna give in to that? Am I? No, I'm not. I'm stronger. I'm stronger than that. You cannot seduce me. GBP USD. I have a downtrend with these level we already worked, and we have most probably to get into this resistance zone again, waiting for 2 more seconds for this candlestick to be closed. Okay, that's good enough. Good enough. So GBP USD 3-minute expiration time using $100 for a downward trend. We entered right there previously and it was closed in black, meaning we got the money. for those who haven't seen that, let me explain the logic. We see a global downtrend. First of all, we're looking at the structure and it is there. Then we are seeing that the price was pushed upwards, and somewhere in this zone of, like, you know, the shadow, there was a resistance zone found, and it started dropping drastically. And somewhere inside of this tail, of this shadow, we understand that there is enough sellers that are pushing the price downwards. It reached this level again, and after this huge red candlestick, we enter into a deal for a downward trend, and it was closed in black as well. This is the third time where the price goes back to that level, and we're expecting the same scenario where the price is going to drop. We will see it in 2 minutes, and I'm going back to the chat because, as you know, I hate seeing what's happening. Oh, I'm missing so much in the chat today. How we go connect for Telegram like this from here? Guys. Yeah, I think you found each other. Yeah, I see that you're just texting him. Okay, great. Sorry, ma'am, on coming stream, would you try using the fair value gaps and liquidity strategy as for us beginners to catch up something? Ellie from TZ. Ali, in general, we could do that, but it depends not on me, it depends on the market, because I'm not that often finding, you know, fair value gaps. I'm not fair value gaps trader, and I cannot find them as easily as people who work with them all the time. I don't work with it often or ever. Maybe. You know what? When I find this situation, I will work with that, but specifically trying to find only fair value gaps, I'm not gonna do, because that's just not my style, you know, but I will try my best to find something for you. Forget about entertaining people on stream, instead analyze properly and win trades. Yeah, I know. Oh my God, we have some serious people on the stream. Look at that. Someone is trying to actually learn. If you're trying to actually learn, enter an academy. We have lessons there where I'm not joking. I'm actually just giving you information, or watch any video on my YouTube channel where I'm also not having fun, or I'm just explaining everything and showing you everything. But for now, oh, this deal is gonna be closed in red. We're gonna lose the money. Yeah, and this one is closed in red, and it's gonna be hard to cover the losses because we don't really have enough currency pairs. And what I'm gonna do, I still believe that the price is gonna drop. I'm gonna enter right here, not even waiting for any confirmations, because I believe that the logic still is still correct. Even though we sometimes get in situations like that, I still believe the logic is correct. I'm not going to change my strategy. I believe in it. So again, GBP USD 3-minute expiration time using $200. And most probably, if this deal is going to be closed in black, meaning we're going to get the money, we are going to finish this session for today, because payouts are going to drop and it's not going to be profitable. What if we try identify a trend with the RSI at the 50 level when it bounces? Yeah, good idea. RSI is not really finding trends. It shows you the potential of the price to follow the trend that we see. But trends, of course, needs to be defined by the structure. Higher high and higher lows for uptrend, and lower low and lower everything for a downtrend. Hi, Alice. Well, hello to you too. Most probably it's a bit too late because we are going to finish the stream really soon. Hopefully this deal is going to be the last one for today. If you have any questions left, you can leave them in the chat, because I'm going to read them at the end of the stream if we're going to end the stream. I actually had one perfect stream where we closed 9 deals in a row in black. That was a perfect one. It was amazing. I just want one day of trading being easy. Just got on the market, got like $500, $700. I don't need more. That's enough. Like 500, 700. Perfect, amazing, chef's kiss. That would be amazing. But every single day we have this fuckery where I have to get back what I lost. Don't like it. Easy money, easy life. That's what it's supposed to be. I'm just joking, of course. It doesn't work like that. Trading is actually what we have today, right now. It is not easy. It is hard, and sometimes you can get a lot of money out of it, but for the most part, it is not easy. It's tough. Sometimes it's real tough. But of course, as I said, on streams, I'm making a lot of risky deals. That's why it looks even harder than it is. Usually, I spend so much time trying to find good entry points. I'm not even saying like perfect ones. I'm saying good ones, you know. Look at this fucking bitch. Please don't do that to me. Oh my god, this is the end. Please. We have 10 seconds left. Oh my god, I can't do this anymore. I'll stop. Oh my god, 4 seconds. 2, 1. Thank gods. Oh me, oh my. We got the profit. For fuck's sake. So we are finishing the stream for today because I can't freaking do it anymore. It is a little bit too much. So we started from $9,776. Now we have $912. Not too shabby, not too bad. Another not easy day, another hot day of trading, but it is still profitable. Let me quickly look in the chat. Go and trade since it's easy for you. Not to me. Hi Alice, can I get your Insta? Nope. It is personal Instagram. If you want to contact me, you have Telegram. You can always text me personally on Telegram. I'll answer you as soon as I'm finished with this situation. Call and stream. Thank you so much, guys, for all of the likes, all of the support that you're giving me, and thank you for just an amazing day. You made me smile all the time, and I will see you in the next one.